Welcome to this tutorial on embedding and hyperlinking on your website. So we're on the Add a Note page for LRHSD eBoards, and we're going to be using two different methods to get away from the eBoard to another website or have the website kind of come to us. So the first way is hyperlinking. We can just say hyperlinking example, and the idea here is we're going to go out and have a quick assessment for students to kind of give us some feedback. So we can say, go to this website and leave or let's say summarize the video below in an iNote. And hyperlinking allows you to take a strand of text and make it active. So if you click on it, it takes you somewhere else. So insert edit link, it'll bring up this window here, and I have Shawnee Extra up in the background. So YouTube gives you this little share, and you can share this video by going to this URL. It's kind of like calling somebody's phone number. We'll copy that, Command C or Control C if you're on Windows, or you can Control click or right click and say copy, however your fastest way to copy is. So Command C for me. This is the same thing that we just copied up in the URL bar here, the same thing you'll see down here. So we're going to go back over here and back to the hyperlink box and paste that in and insert. And I'm going to go below here and I'm going to turn iNote status moderated. That way when students submit their answers, you can say yes or no if they go live on the website. We're not going to be using any attachments or changing any other options, and I can save this note. So at the bottom, here's my hyperlinking example, and here's my go to this website and summarize below. Here's my iNote, and they get similar kind of ability to be able to post stuff down in the box here. Clicking here links out to a new page with the eBoard still in the background, and here's Shawnee Extra playing. So that's one way. The second way, we're going to add another note, and we're going to call this embedding example. And then in the embed, we can go back to YouTube, and in the share tab over here, you can see next to share this video, we can embed this video. Note also in share this video, it's kind of nice that YouTube gives you all these different ways to share. So if you've been using different social networks in your class like Twitter, Google Plus is awesome to use. It gives you a quick way to share. But we're going to embed for this example, and this is HTML, so it's a little snippet of web code, but eBoard and a lot of other sites allow you to get into the HTML of the page. You don't have to hand code your whole website, just little snippets of it at a time to make it do what you need it to do. So here they won't have to leave your website to go out to YouTube. They would see the video embedded in your website. So we're going to copy this, Command C or Control C if you're Windows, or Control click or right clicking, and then we're going to go back over here. And here this was HTML. So it's actually the source code of how the internet is built. Here we're going to go into the HTML source editor, paste in the HTML, and update. And now you're going to see it embedded right in your site. And you can give a little strand of text if you wanted to. This is kind of one of the limitations with the eBoard. There's no way to kind of get around this video now. So I'm going to press the down arrow and enter, and now I have my cursor below all of the video. And I'm going to say summarize this video in an iNote below, and I'm going to turn my iNote on again, and now I have my embedded video with a little bit of direction and some feedback from my students. So there at the bottom, here's my embed example, and then when they get to this page, here's the YouTube video summarizing an iNote, and now they don't have to click and link away. Now this video is on your web page. So two different options for bringing media to your website or linked out from your website, and then collecting a little bit of feedback from your students, something that you can assess their knowledge.